Hi, 皆さん、こんにちは。Today is a Japanese train. What's the main transportation in Scotland?
Oh, we take trains and buses mostly.
There is still steam train in Scotland.
Yeah, the high water train up north of Scotland.
I think there is still a steam train in Japan.
There are still steam train in some cities. Not in Aichi.
Not in Aichi. This is icy car. There is icy car in Scotland?
Not in Scotland. We just pay money, go on the train.
Okay. You will use this today?
Oh, thank you.
This is IC card is using for transportation in Japan. Train, subway, bus, taxi, so many things. Okay. Yes, let's go.
Gacha gacha.
So many things.
Yeah. Do you like gacha gacha?
Yeah. I want to get a key ring. You like?
Yes. I like gacha gacha and UFO gacha.
What's that?
You know, toys and scratch by machine.
Oh, yeah.
UFO gacha.
Oh, hey.
I like this too.
Claw machine.
This is a ticket. We can choose language. One-way ticket.
Yes.
Then choose this. One color. Okay. See? Oh.
Hey.
Okay. In Scotland, something like this. This
Bigger, not this small.
not like this. I think same as Egypt, a little big.
Yeah.
Looks like subway ticket in Egypt. Okay. Yes, let's go. How is it?
Easy.
Easy. Don't touch.
8つき始めたよほら。
Oh, gate. There is gate. They are making gate now. There is the gate in Scotland.
No gates in
No
Scotland.
gates.
No. Like this bit.
Like this. Oh, is this a restaurant?
It is a small restaurant.
Small restaurant in the platform station.
That's cool.
Wow. Oh, they buy ticket. Oh, they can use IC card. Wow. IC card can use anything.
Nice.
Yeah, this is a public phone. Public phone. In Scotland, there is public phone.
Not so much nowadays. Everyone
Nowadays.
uses their mobile.
Yes, I think more gutless.
Yeah. Yep, there's a lot more than back in Scotland. Train stations, we wouldn't get restaurants. If we're lucky, we get a vending machine with cola.
So long. This is good train. And this is ice cream vending machine. There is a ice cream vending machine in Scotland.
I've not seen ice cream vending machines in Scotland.
Usually drinks.
Just drinks.
Just drinks.
Cola, yeah.
There is hot drinks in vending machines.
No, not hot. Only the cold.
In Japan, there is hot and cold.
Yeah, that's cool.
This is cool. You know,
Oh, the blue.
blue is cool. 冷たい. This is red is hot.
Whoa. Cool.
Yes. And can use IC card.
Oh, cool.
IC card is so convenient.
Living in the future.
This is black coffee. You usually like
I like
black.
the black
Okay.
coffee. Let's get this.
So you can use.
So click.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, cool.
Oh.
It's warm.
Oh.
Hey,
Yeah.
nice. It's taste.
Yes. So easy to buy. Oh.
Hey.
あら? Smell is so black coffee.
Yeah. Very good. Nice. Yeah, good tasting coffee.
Yeah.
I like that.
This is a bird
of
seat.
station staff.
Yeah, this is color different than this is blue and orange.
Okay.
Even handles is different. There is priority seats like this in Scotland.
Not this many,
Not
so
many.
we'll have maybe two right next to the door, and then normal seats. If an old person, pregnant woman, sick person comes on and there's no seats, you get off. You
Yeah.
get your seat.
This motor show you stations and the stairs, escalators, these directions all. And there is many language. There is many Japanese, English, the Chinese, Korean.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
You'll have paper map if you're lucky.
This is for wheelchair and baby car.
Yeah. We'll
Yes,
have.
there's something like this.
Yeah.
This is first instructions in Japanese, and this is in English. You could understand what they say.
Yeah.
This is easy for you to understand.
Easy.
Yeah. In Egypt, we don't have this kind.
No?
Except for big cities, Cairo, sightseeing places, something like this. In Scotland, they are using another language.
Scotland, it would all just be Scottish. Yeah.
Scottish.
English.
English.
Yeah. North in the Highlands, you might get Gaelic, so maybe you have a mix between English and Gaelic up north. But down south, it's mostly.
But you don't do another, for example, French or another language.
Not really, no.
No. There is SOS button,
Save our souls.
and there is a platform on the station.
Oh, I didn't see.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So trains are a lot cleaner back in Scotland. Same for Egypt.
Egypt, a little bit.
That's really clean. I like the handrails.
Yeah. There's different size, different shapes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will use
On
it.
multiple lights, yeah. I like how quiet it is as well.
Yes, quiet, so quiet. How about in Scotland? Quiet?
Everyone's talking. Yeah. Children with their phones up, full blast, music. Yeah.
Music in the train.
Crazy.
Not using this?
No. Phone them up on the desk, and then all their friends can hear and everyone else in the train.
Wow. Japanese people are quiet.
Yeah.
They care about others so much.
Yeah. Maybe the sunlight is more.
Sunlight here is more.
Not much sunlight back home.
As Scotland is cloudy, usually cloudy.
Yeah. Cloudy, rainy, snowy. Yeah. Seats are comfy, nice. On subways we might get seats like this.
Subway.
On trains we get plastic sort of seats.
Plastic.
Plastic seat, table. Yeah.
It was something like this or in line.
Oh, but yeah, and
online.
Yeah.
I think this is brand new, so it looks like a subway. There's another train has same, but not plastic. Almost the same as this cushion. Okay, now subway. Yes. In Scotland, third subway in the world.
Whoa, cool.
Yeah.
It's very basic. Just circle.
Circle, yes.
Yeah.
I think it's something like this. Maybe.
Similar to this. Just
Yeah.
know this.
No, this Glasgow only.
Just Glasgow, yeah.
Just Glasgow. In Japan, there's
Yeah,
so wide.
everywhere.
Yeah. There's so many and cover almost all Japan.
Yeah.
In Egypt, we have only Cairo.
Only Cairo?
Cairo only.
Oh, right.
Subway Kadachi.
Oh, the cars.
Car shape.
Yeah.
Car
yeah,
shape
it is
looks
pretty
a little
yeah.
round, orange and white.
Yeah. I think they've recently updated it. I can't remember the new colour, but it is still same shape, very small.
Very
compact,
small.
Yeah.
We will use the IC card in subway too, as
Okay.
we said, train, subway.
Everything.
Yes.
Cool.
Yeah, let's go.
Go.
Let's go.
We will take before to take a picture for
A passport.
driver's license.
Yeah. Formal picture, something like this. Is there something like this in Scotland?
Very few, but we do have this.
We don't have this in Egypt.
No.
So convenient if we need picture quickly, so we
Yeah.
can take.
今モバイルとかできちゃうから少なくなっちゃう。前はもう ここにもあるよ。
Anyway.
LED に変えてるけど。
Ah, I did.
さっき
Yes,
テ
this is more advanced
クノロジーだぜみたいな。
technology, yes. There is here mini market. How to say? A small shop.
Yeah.
Yeah. Underground.
Yeah.
Subway. This is also like this in Scotland.
We are lucky to get this on a train station. Subway, no chance. But this is nice.
Yes. Instructions is on that. It almost looks like train.
So in Scotland, it's a lot more compact, smaller. Yeah.
Smaller than
Yeah.
this.
Pretty big. And wider.
Tall.
Japan is
Japan.
lots of carriages. Scotland, we don't have the gates back home.
There's no gates.
No.
We don't have to. In Subway, there is a female car only. In
Oh, yeah?
Scotland, how about?
No, not in Scotland. No, you have it in Egypt.
Yes, in Egypt, there is cars for women only. This is a boarding point for women
黄
only
色い
car.
点字ブロックの内側でお待ちください。
Carriage looks a lot more like Scotland's. I don't know why. Black tunnels. Well, they have.
Yes, underground, but this person.
Oh,
Ah,
okay.
oh, this is for train too? Oh. So it looks like different than previous one. Previous one looks established. Do you know there is anime train in Japan?
Oh,
Pikachu,
cool.
Hello Kitty.
Yeah, I've seen a video of the Pikachu train. Looks
Oh,
cool.
Pikachu! Oh, yeah. Looks good. I saw once before, just
Yeah.
passing. I didn't get on.
Cool.
I hope I get
Pikachu
on.
train. Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
Eh,
Hello
cool.
Kitty. So, for fun only.
Oh.
I hope someday I will get on.
Yeah.
So, what's your impression about the train and subway?
I'm enjoying it. I like the trains. Very quiet, clean, everyone's respectful, but very nice. Different from back home. Back home, very noisy. You have people playing their music, people shouting, all crazy back home. But nice and calm here. China was pretty crazy as well.
Agree with
Yeah,
China?
In Japan,
In Japan.
all queues up nicely. back home, we like queuing as well, but China was crazy. You queue and they all jump in front
Oh.
of you. Yeah, so I didn't like that.
So maybe for me too is the most I like in Japanese manner. They are speak the rules so much.
Yeah.
No one pass.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nice.
We saw the worker preparing ladder for wheelchair.
Yeah. Step. There is a step for wheelchair to
Oh,
pass.
yeah.
Yeah, you saw this. He was holding step.
Oh, I saw that. Yeah.
Yes,
yeah.
this is for wheelchair people.
Nice. I don't think we have that back home.
I don't think there is any Egypt. How about underground shop? It looks like markets. There's
That
so many
was
shops.
cool. Yeah. I like that. I think it would be good for Scotland though, because Scotland has lots of rain and it gets cold. So if everyone just shops underground, it would be good.
It will be good. Yes, I think so. Which is the most point you liked today?
I liked the fact that everyone's respectful and quiet.
Yeah.
That was really nice.
Yes, technology is important, but if there is no manner or people
Yeah.
didn't keep this technology or they don't follow the rules, everything will destroy. じゃあ皆さん見てくれてありがとうございます。またねー。
ありがとう。